Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the interior lights, the dome lights on your Tesla Model Y. Various different ways of doing it. We can use our voice, we can use a touchscreen, and we can use manually as well by actually pressing the buttons. So if we want to use voice commands, we can just press this button in here and we can say turn on dome lights. And you can now see we have two lights here, and we also have two little lights on the back here and here. And then we can press this button, turn off dome lights, and you can see they now have gone off. Now on here we can go to the car icon and we can go to lights, and we have various different settings: off, on and auto. So if we go on, it's going to put them on, so they're on now. Or we can go to auto, which will put them on when we open up the door. So right now they're off, and if I open up the door, you can see they come on. And then when we close the door, they're going to go off after a certain amount of time. Now, just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to turn them off here, and I'm going to show you how you can do them manually. Really easy. If you go up to the lights, all we have to do is press them. And every time you press them, they're going to turn on and off. And that's the same in the back as well. So if you look at the back, and I just press them in there, you can see they go on and off. So it's really useful if you're a rear passenger there, you can just have one light on, you don't have to have them all on. When I do voice commands, I can only seem to get them all on or all off at the same time, and the same on here, it's all on or all off. But when you do it manually, you can turn on individual ones. Thanks for watching.